This is Titlow Beach. Railroad tracks running right through here. Along these railroad tracks, we get about 12 to 15 coal trains every day. There's proposal to build 2 new coal export terminals in western Washington, which could increase that number of coal trains to anywhere up near 45 to 60 coal trains a day. Each of these trains is a mile long, and each of these cars on these trains that are uncovered loses coal at an astounding rate, coal chunks and coal dust, as it makes its way along the tracks. I'm interested in what that coal dust and coal chunks, what effect that has on the water right out there in Puget Sound. Puget Sound is an amazing place, and it seems to me that there's a real possibility of environmental damage being done by some of these coal droppings.